Hello everyone, welcome to Law Simple and Pure. Let us learn today's MCQs which are useful for JMFC, MPSC, UPSC and CLAT or all other law entrance examinations. So question number 1. Procedure for amendment of the Constitution is borrowed from which country in the Indian Constitution? Okay, so you know that Indian Constitution cannot be amended easily. A part of it requires a special process of amendment, and other parts also they need certain procedure to be followed. They need certain type of majority, and this feature is borrowed in Indian Constitution by which country? It is borrowed from South Africa. It is borrowed from the Constitution of South Africa in Indian Constitution. Question number 2. Feature republic, that India is a republic country. Preamble provides that India is a republic. So this feature is borrowed in Indian Constitution from which country? It is borrowed from the Constitution of France. Question number 3. Independence of judiciary. Indian Constitution provides for independence of judiciary. So this feature is borrowed from which country? And it is borrowed from the Constitution of USA. That Indian judiciary is independent. It means it cannot be controlled by any political party. It cannot be controlled by the legislature or by the judiciary. And judiciary can decide or make its decision independent of any external pressure. So that is called as independence of judiciary, and it is borrowed in Indian Constitution by the Constitution of USA. Question number 4. Parliamentary government. India is a parliamentary type of government. It means executive is responsible to parliament and head of the parliament is Prime Minister. So more importance is given to Prime Minister. In presidential form of government, President is the supreme one, or he is the head of the nation. But in India, the more powers are given to Prime Minister, and who is the head of the parliament, and this is called as parliamentary government. And in parliamentary government, executive is responsible to parliament or answerable to parliament. And this feature is borrowed in Indian Constitution from the Constitution of from the law of UK. I made a mistake. There is no constitution in United Kingdom. Okay, they have a law. So this feature is borrowed from UK's law. And question number 5, writs. Okay, Supreme Court and High Courts can issue various writs under Article 32 and under Article 226 of the Constitution. Okay, so that those writs are borrowed from which country? They are borrowed from the law of United Kingdom. Various writs are issued. They are habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto. So all these writs are borrowed from the law of United Kingdom. So these are today's MCQs. Let us revise again. Procedure for amendment of Constitution is borrowed from South Africa. Republic, that feature republic which is there in preamble, is borrowed from the Constitution of France. Feature independence of judiciary is borrowed in Indian Constitution from Constitution of United States of America. Feature of parliamentary government is borrowed from UK's laws. And writs or writ jurisdiction under Article 226 and 32 is borrowed from UK's law. So that's it for the day. Stay tuned for tomorrow's MCQs. Goodbye and good luck.